This is Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Today I will be showing you how to make white bean paste. I will be using my blender to make white bean paste. 今日は白あんの作り方をお教えしたいと思います。Before we cook the beans, we need to soak the beans in the water at least 8 hours. Make sure you have enough water in your container. I will be soaking them overnight to save my time. I'm pulling the skin off. Let's place the pot on the stove. Water should be cold when it starts. Bring it to boil. Make sure you prepare a cup of water. When it starts boiling, let's add a cup of water. So it's boiling again. I'm going to turn off my heat and drain them in my sink. I will occasionally check the water level. If it is not fully covering the beans, I will add more in. Cook until the beans are tender. That would take about 50 minutes. Let's set the timer. You are now ready to drain the water, but don't drain all the water. Please remain some cooking liquid in the pot to cover the beans. Now process for 1 minute. I'm going to add my sugar. Add a pinch of salt. white bean paste is completed. Very good. Make sure you cover your paste with plastic.